Among the neighborhoods that Sant Aniol de Finestres include, the house of La Barroca, or Sobre Roca, located on top of the mountain that separates Llimona Valley from Mostoles Valley, stands out. It has the same origin as the other neighborhoods, as its church, dedicated to Saint Andreu, has been documented since 985. Some centuries later, in 1603, it appears again with the name of Ca Barroca, as a privilege that Berenguer Dom, Sant Pau Baron, gave to the inhabitants. Here, there was also a castle that nowadays is in ruins. The Church of Saint Andreu is preserved. It was built in the 17th century. It is a building with only one nave and a rectangular apse. There is a bell tower and a double roof slope with double openings that look to the east and to the west. This church was covered with a small country stone, and between the 18th and the 19th century, some restorations were made. The Elena or Lena Sanctuary depends on this church. It is located on the slopes of Elena Hill in the north of the town and at the right side of Llimona stream. It is a Romanesque building, quite modified with one nave and one apse, with a wall bell tower and a porch in front of the door in the west facade. The Hermitage of St. Roch also belonged to this parish. It is located on the top of a cliff with the same name, where the regions of La Garrotxa, El Gironès and La Selva meet. For this reason, it is a very good viewpoint. The Hermitage has been documented since 1447.